Hi everyone, this is Dr. Navneeta Kapoor from Mind is in Charge, Not the Body. It's all about health awareness, about everything, but in my way. And it's absolutely free for all. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, YouTube, and now on TikTok as well. Today, I wanted to ask you, do you know this? Can you take the heat? Well, you'll be surprised to know that there are loads of medicinal benefits of eating peppers. They have cayenne in them, and cayenne is a very good metabolism booster. Well, these peppers have vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and they're a good source of fiber. And they have manganese and iron. So, if you can eat them, they will help to improve your circulation, and they will even help to relieve your constipation. These peppers can lower your blood pressure and can give you relief from your stomach ulcers to some extent. They help to detoxify the body, and they help to relieve pain, especially if you have arthritis. And if you want to lose weight, they're a good source of helping you to lose weight. And if you have skin conditions like psoriasis, then maybe this cayenne, which is in these peppers, might help. And it helps if you have sinuses, and it relieves your coughs and colds. Now, there are benefits of either one. If you have red peppers, they are really good for your digestion. They help to manage your blood sugar levels, and they're really good for your heart. On the other hand, if you take green peppers, then they help you to burn off your calories, and they're a really good source of iron absorption, and they help to reduce the blockage in your arteries. Now, it's really up to you. If you can use them in your diet, then you can experience the loads and loads of magic of cayenne which are in these peppers. Now, the other fun facts of these peppers are that it boosts up your longevity, and it helps for your microbial infections. And the cons of it is that it causes burning in the mouth, and it is a blood thinner. And if you have hemorrhoids, probably taking cayenne peppers is not a good idea. People who eat spicy food live longer, according to some research in 2015. And your rectum and anus are lined by cells similar to that which are in your mouth. So if you eat too much, then sometimes when you go to the poo, you will feel chillies. Well, the rest of it is entirely up to you. Think about it. If you can, try using them in your diet, and it will help you to feel better in loads of ways. Goodbye. Good luck.